let's go back to our example about touching a hot stove. What is the stimulus that causes us to jerk our hand back? We touch the hot stove. What's the stimulus that causes the ouch? Or oh my god. Yes, Anthony.
Is it
what's stimulus?
Mechanoreceptors? Is that one?
So we touch the hot stove, we jerked our hand back. What's the stimulus in that situation? And someone already told me in the chat. Let me see if you can connect that. Yep, Kalani and Meyer on it.
Got hot?
Yeah, the heat. Good. That's the external or internal change that causes me to respond. So I gave the answer. Let's see if you were paying attention. What's the response to me touching a hot stove? Type that in the chat. The pain. Okay. The response, if you feel the pain, jump back. Thank you. Yes, because I would jump back too. I would let my hands sit and sizzle. Good. All right. So the sensory receptors, what you feel, those are those nerve endings being burnt, a little bit from touching that hot stove. And the mechanoreceptors, we talk about the sensory receptors in the skin of humans. Good. Oh, Micaiah said that stinging pain. Go ahead. You jerk your hand back. Great. So we're going to use these 4 vocabulary terms in our answers for the remainder of the investigation. So let's look at these 2 bullet points. Pressure receptors were all created equally, and they all work the same way. They're equally sensitive to touch no matter where they are on your body. So in your notes, you're going to answer this question. What do you think is there a difference between the sensory receptors in your fingertips and knuckles using this new information? So I'm going to box it out for you. Using the information, these 2 bullet points, is there a difference between the sensory receptors in your fingertips and knuckles? So think about those 2 bullet points. Is there a difference between the sensory receptors, and you have the definitions on your class notes. You feel like, I know what that's talking about. It's right there. On your fingertips and knuckles using the new information above. You have 3 minutes. When the song is over, we should be done answering that question. Going. I should see us typing that thinking right section. Okay, good. I see us thinking. Okay, EJ. Definitely sharing yours. That's how we earn our 5 points. Good. We got faith. Think about what's in that pink box as you answer these questions for the thinking right. James. EJ said, because I don't think that was good. Right in. All right, so EJ said, difference between your fingertips and knuckles are if you touch something your fingertips with your fingertips, then you will probably not feel that much pain, nor react as bad as if you hit a brick wall with your knuckles. Wonderful. Let's look at I think it was sterile. The difference between no, that was right. Why you take it back? It was okay. It was right. Undo that. That's the one to show yours. Yep, put that one back too. Thank you. They will respond equally because in the pink box it says that no matter where it is on your body, it's going to respond the same way. Go ahead and finish that sentence out, sir. Thank you. Didn't even correct. Some of us, that's why I showed two different answers. Y'all took a different round of one, and some of us read the information and answered that way. Thank you so much. Woo! All right, so let's continue. Don't do that. Like I gotta show yours because you did what I was thinking. Once again, it does say that the pressure receptors work equally. No matter where they are in the body, they're going to be the same. That's why I chose yours. Okay, I'll look at yours when I'm done. All right, great. So the rest of the time, good. We have 15 minutes to answer the independent practice questions. Notice on your document, you have a model for questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So the model on the side is for questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you have 2 models on your paper for the free response questions 5 and 6. So I'll show that on your end just in case it looks slightly different. So once again, questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. What's happening? Sorry. There you go. So on the side, this model is for questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Please make sure you read what's in the box before you start answering. And then for your free response questions, the last one too. These are the 2 models. I don't know how they moved to the top because they were below, but these are the 2 models that you are comparing for questions 5 and 6. If you have any questions, please feel free to hit me up in the chat. You all have done great. Let's continue the work. I'll look at yours, Malik S. Yeah, okay.